Okay, class. Today I want to give the lecture on the chapter 2B, market equilibrium. Previously, we already covered the market and the supply and demand. So today we will cover the market equilibrium. Okay. So, what the definition of the market equilibrium? A market equilibrium is a situation when the quantity demand and the quantity supply are equal, and there is no tendency for the price or quantity to change. Okay, so just remember this one. Okay, market equilibrium is a quantity demand and the quantity supply are equal, which is the formula is a quantity demand equal to quantity supply, or quantity supply equal to quantity demand. So same. Okay. We go to the next. Okay. Where the equilibrium market will be happen at the this point. Okay. At the this point will be happen the market equilibrium. Okay. This is called the 3 ringgit is called the market prices, and 6 unit is called the market quantity. Okay. Where market equilibrium is a weapon when the quantity supply is the same as the quantity demand here. Okay. So P so the quantity price is a P star, the quantity market equilibrium quantity is a Q star. Okay. When the surplus will be happen, when the surplus will be happen, when the situation when the quantity supply is more than the quantity demand. Okay, if you see this graph, okay, you can see this is a demand curve, this is a negative relationship, supply curve is a positive relationship. This is a quantity is showing the demand quantity, which is this point, and this point is showing the quantity for the supply. So quantity supply more than the quantity demand will be a surplus. When the situation shortage will be happen, when the quantity demand is more than the quantity supply. Okay. Um, if you see this graph, okay, this is a supply curve, this is a demand curve. So quantity supply is here, quantity demand is here. So the quantity demand is more than quantity supply, the shortage will be happen. Okay. Okay, if you see this schedule, okay, please remember, always the market want to achieve the equilibrium prices, okay, equilibrium quantity. Okay, here if you see the equilibrium supply, equilibrium, the 3 ringgit is the equilibrium price. Why? Because the quantity demand is equal to the quantity supply. Okay, let's say the price is the product, the goods is a 5 ringgit. So the quantity is a demand is a 2, the quantity supply is a 4. So the market condition now is a surplus. So the price market prices is want to falls until they achieve the market price, market equilibrium price is a 3 ringgit. Okay, if your price is a 4 ringgit, quantity demand is a 4, the quantity supply is a 8, still have the market condition is a surplus. So market prices is a fall until they achieve the market price, equilibrium price is a 3 ringgit. Okay. And then if you price is, let's say the price is a 1 ringgit, the quantity demand is a 10, the quantity supply is a 2. So the market conditions now is a shortage. So price is a rises until to the achieve the um, uh, equilibrium price, which is a 3 ringgit. If a price is a 2 ringgit, the quantity demand is a 8, the quantity supply is 4. Still, the market condition is a shortage. The market prices is rises until the achieve the equilibrium, which is a 3 ringgit. Okay. This is a equation for the how to we achieve the equilibrium price and output. If you see, I think this slide is no need to achieve explain, because the already have the all the answer over there. Okay, so I explain the changes in the demand. Okay, so changes in the demand. Okay, assume the supply is a constant. Tak ada perubahan dalam penawaran. Okay, just assume the supply is a constant. Changes in the demand only. Okay, okay. Let's say the increase in the demand. Okay, what happened? The increase the demand. The curve from the DD curve is shift to the DD1. Okay, shift to the right side. Okay. What happened to now the equilibrium prices, equilibrium quantity? Okay, from the P star rise to the P2, the Q star rise to the Q2. Okay, so what happened now? If a decrease in the demand. Okay, so decrease in the demand, of course the demand curve will be shift to the right side. Okay, what happened to now equilibrium prices? Equilibrium prices is a drop from the P star to the P1, and the quantity is a increase from the quantity equilibrium quantity is a decrease from the Q star to the Q1. So both of the prices and the quantity is a decreases. Okay, changes in the supply. Now, cases is previously we see the changes in the demand, constant the supply. Now is we see the changes in the supply, but the assume the demand is a constant. Okay. Let's say the supply is a increase. When the supply is a increase, the curve will be shift to the right side, which is a from the SSO to the SS1. Okay, so the prices also the decreases from the P star to the P1. Okay, the quantity and also the increases from the Q star to the Q2. Okay, what happened now if a decrease in the supply, so the supply curve will be shift to the right left side, which is from the SS0 to the SS1. Okay, the price will be increases from the P star to the P2. The quantity decreases from the Q star to the Q1. Okay. Okay, what happened if have the changes from the both of the demand and supply? Okay, let's say the demand and supply is increases. Okay, what happened? Equilibrium prices, the previously before the increases both of the supply and demand, the price is a P star and quantity is a Q star. After the increase in demand, the demand curve will be shift to the right side from the DD0 to the DD1, and the supply curve will be shift to the right so from the SS0 to the SS1. So the same, if you happen to the same magnitude, the equilibrium prices is a constant, and then the quantity is a increases. Okay, the prices is a constant, the quantity is a increases from the Q star to the Q1. Okay. If okay, this is the second case. Okay, it's the same. Okay, supply demand both is increases but a different magnitude. Okay, let's say the demand is a increases highest compared to the increases of the supply. Okay, that's why the share the space between the ship is very high for the demand. Okay, demand DDO0 ship to the DD1, and supply curve is a shift to the SS0 to the SS1. Okay, so the equilibrium price is increases from the P star to the P1, and the quantity is increases to the Q1 Q star to the Q1. Okay, let's say this case 3 is a different magnitude for the demand and curve. Okay, let's say the increases of the supply is more than the increase of the demand. What happened now? Okay, so the equilibrium is a P star and Q star. Okay, after the increases both of the supply and demand. Okay, demand is a shift to the if a demand curve is shift to the right side from the SS0 to the SS1, and then a demand curve is a shift to the right side so from the DDO to the DD1. Okay, so equilibrium price is a decreases from the Q star to the P1, and the quantity is increases from the Q star to the Q1. Okay, government intervention in the market. Okay, we have the government intervention. We have it can be imposed by the four types. First one is a maximum price. Second one is a minimum price, tax, and subsidies. Okay. Okay, let's say the government is imposes the maximum price, which is called the shilling price. Okay, the asal, okay, the origin of the market equilibrium is a P star and Q star. After the government imposed the maximum prices, or we can call the ceiling prices, what happened now? The price is now is a P1. Okay. The suppliers is reduce the amount of a Q1, but the demand will be rises to the Q2, creating the shortage. Okay. Here, if you see this one, the supply is smaller compared to the demand. So what happened? Here is we call the shortage is be happen. Okay. What the advantage of this implement the maximum prices, customer can be purchased at the lower prices. If you compare to this one previously, the customer is pay the P star. Now after the implement the maximum prices, the customer now is pay the P1 only. Okay. What the disadvantage? Image the black market, reduce the quantity produced, and producer tend to receive the illegal payment from the customer. Okay, example of selling prices in the Malaysia: fresh meat, imported oil, sugar, flour, and bread. Okay, this graph is showing the minimum prices. Okay, when the government imposes minimum prices, the prices now is P1, previously P star and Q star. Okay, surplus will be happen. Supply will be happen because the quantity supply is more than the quantity demand. Okay, what the advantage? Protect the producer's income and higher wage rate. And then disadvantage, a customer need to pay the more base of the resources and create the unemployment. Okay, example of the flow prices: low income farmer, fishermen produce at minimum wages. Effect of the taxation. Okay. Okay. The third cases is a effect of the taxation. What happen if a government is imposes the tax to the producers and seller, but pay pass it to the ender. Okay. The equilibrium, the origin equilibrium is a 12 ringgit and quantity is a 400. After the government imposes the taxes to the cost of the production is increased, and then the quantity supply is a decrease. Therefore, the supply curve will be shift to the left side. Okay, from the SS1, SS0 to the SS1. So now is a equilibrium prices is a 40 ringgit, and the quantity is a 200. Okay. So the tax of the amount is a 4 ringgit is shared equally by the buyer and seller. Okay. What happened to the when the government will implement the subsidy? Okay, the origin, the market equilibrium is a 50 ringgit. The price is a 50 ringgit. The quantity is a 10. When the government give the subsidy, imposes subsidy to the firm, the cost of the production of the firm will be reduced. Therefore, they will be can be increase the quantity of the supply. Therefore, the curve will be shift to the right side from the SS0 to the SS1. Okay, now is a new equilibrium will be happen to the 45 ringgit, and then quantity now is a 20. Okay, the subsidy of the 10 ringgit shared by equally by the buyer and seller. Okay, plus I finished the chapter 2 part B. Okay, maybe the next week I starting to the uh, chapter 3. Okay, make sure your next week you submit your assignment. I give the 1 week time. Okay, next week is our physical classes. Okay, make sure everyone is attend, because you need to submit your assignment by hard copy to me. Okay, thank you, class.